Can you read this thing?
No.
So it means that we have another book, this one. I didn't think that I know that I thought that you know a little bit of Arabic. It means that you are very beginner. So
I'm
I will teach you inshallah from the beginning, inshallah from the beginning. These books are for the mid level of Arabic. So we will teach you inshallah. So it's a leka you can see
Mhm.
meeting. Your meeting between two people or more, you will say al-liqa.
Aleka.
Yes, al-liqa. Uh, if there will a pen and a book, it will be
Yeah,
better
I
for
have
you
it.
to
I
write.
have it.
Yes, no, no. Yes, it's very important.
Okay.
So, good morning, you can say Sabah al khair.
Sabah
Sabah
al.
al khair. Yes, good morning. And the good evening, you can say Masa al khair. Masa. Evening time, you will say Masa. Mean
Masa.
Masa, yes. Masa. So it is good morning, Sabah al khair. And how are you? Kaifa haluka. When you meet someone and you say, how are you? And so you will say, Kaifa haluka.
Okay.
Is it easy?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes,
I've
yes.
memorized the words.
Mhm.
So do you
Yes,
say
yes, yes.
for good
I
evening, you say Masa al khair.
Masa al khair, right? Masa al khair.
Okay.
You can say. I will download another book for the beginners, and I will teach you, inshallah, from the basic level,
Okay.
from the beginning, inshallah. So in trial, we know that how is this the need of the student, what we can teach him, what he needs. So uh, how are you? Kaifa haluka? Kaifa haluka? You will say
Kaifa haluka.
haluka, right? How are you?
Okay.
I am fine. Ana bikhairin.
Ana
Ana
bik.
bikhairin.
Ana
I
bikhairin.
bikhairin, right? Ana bikhairin.
Okay. Ana
أنا
bikhairin.
بخير. Oh, write it in English as well. Write أنا ANA
Yeah, I'm writing.
بخير. Yes, write it. It's very important.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you will. Hmm. أنا بخير.
Okay.
How is your health? How is your health? So you can say كيف صحتك. How means in Arabic كيف.
Kaifa.
كيف. Here you can see and here you can see. And here you can see
Okay.
كيف حالك. So كيف صحتك? How
Sehet.
is your yes, how is your health? How is it going? So كيف صحتك? كيف صحتك
So how are you is different from
صح
how is your health.
or can you repeat your question?
I asked, how are you is different from how is your health.
How
You
is
said
your
kaifa.
health?
You said kaifa haluka is how are
Hmm.
you, and how is your health is
No, it's no. If you know the difference between them, so you can say there is a difference between them. I think that there is no difference between it and that. So the difference is health. Health means in Arabic sehat. How is your
sehet.
health? Sehat. No, the different of word health. So there is no difference, I think, in the meaning. How are you
Mhm.
and how is your health? I think there's no difference in meaning, but in words they're different between because there is a health and there is no health.
Okay.
So there is no difference of meaning in both of them.
Mhm.
Hmm. My health is good. Sehati jayyida.
Sehet.
So, ji, I can say you that you can say this word when you see someone there. He is a sick. When you see him in a hospital, for example. So you can say, how is your health? كيف صحتك؟ كيف صحتك? How is
Okay.
your health now? So you can say that time, my health is good. When you are sick and you got healthy, so you can say my health is good now. My health is good now. So sehati jayyida.
Say
Sehati jayyida. We should repeat it. So al-liqa, meeting means al-liqa. Meeting between
Alleka.
two people. Yes, al-liqa. Al-liqa. Hmm.
Alleka.
Right, right. Al-liqa. Hmm. Good morning.
Good
Sabah
morning.
al-khair.
Alka.
Sabah al-khair. Yes. And good evening. Masa al-khair.
Masa.
Masa. Hmm. Sabah means morning time and
Okay.
masa means evening time. Hmm.
Okay.
Khair means good.
Mm-hmm.
So how are you? Kaifa haluka. How means kaifa in Arabic. Kaifa.
Okay.
That's very important. Its usage is very so I am fine. Ana bi khairin.
Bikhair.
Hmm. Thanks. They didn't write it. Thanks. Shukran. Write it. Ana bi khairin. Shukran.
Shukran.
Shukran. Write it there. Shukran. Thanks. Thank
Okay.
you. Shukran. You can say in Arabic. When you say to someone, so how is your health? كيف صحتك?
Sehatuka.
Hmm. My health is good. صحت means health.
Okay.
صحتي جيدة. صحتي جيدة.
Sehati.
Hmm. جيدة.
Jayida.
Hmm. How is your father?
Mm-hmm.
How is your father? Uh, See this one. How are you? كيف حالك? And how is your father? كيف حال? Father means walid. Walid
Walid.
in Arabic. Father, yes. كيف حال والدك? Here is كيف حالك? How are you? And there is كيف حال والدك? والدك. كيف حال والدك? How is your father?
Walidika.
والدك, right. والدك.
So is there something like for males we put ka and something
Yes,
in the
for female you book. Here is you can see in another book. 1 minute. Oh, yes. Here you can see this thing.
okay.
I will teach you all of them, inshallah.
Okay.
Here. This is
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Iyaka, your. If you are male, if you are male. Iyaki, if you are female.
Mm.
K for female. And
Okay.
ka for male. If you are male, so we will say Iyaka, your. And if you are female, so Iyake. Here you can
Yeah.
see. Yes. There is a little bit different between them. So we will get answer, inshallah. Mm. Here you can see laka. Laka means if you are female. Here is it your for you. Yours for you. And if you are male. And this one, lake. Lake means
Hers.
uh, hers of brother. Your it's your is well, but it's for female. So
Mm.
yours and it's for yours as well, but it's for female.
Okay.
Hmm. This is the difference between laka and lake. So my father is all right. Walidi bikhairin.
Walidi bika.
Walidi bikhairin. Yes.
Bikhairin.
You yes, right, bikhairin. You can see here, ana bikhairin means I am fine.
Ana bikhair. Yes.
My father is fine. My father is all right. My father is fine. So walidi bikhairin. Walid means father. Have a good day. Have a good day. Naharuka sa'idun.
Mehruka saridun.
Naharuka, Nahar. Okay, you can say Naharuka.
Nahar.
Sa'idun is a double EDON, you can see.
Saeed.
Sa'idun.
Saeedun.
Naharuka Sa'idun. Have a good day. Have a good night. You can say Layluka Sa'idun. Layluka. Have a good night. Layluka Sa'idun. Did you write?
Yes.
Layluka Sa'id. Got it? Have a good day.
Have a
Naharuka Sa'idun. Have a good night. If you say have a
Lailuka
good night,
Lail
Layluka,
Saeed.
Layluka Sa'idun. Right. Oh, this is good evening. Masa al khair. You have already written.
Yes.
Hmm. Good evening. Masa al khair. So this is a meeting. Al-liqa. Al-liqa
Alleka.
meeting. Oh, and this is goodbye. It means that we will meet again. Goodbye means we will meet again. Ilal-liqa. Ilal-liqa. Uh, looking forward toward the another meeting. So ilal-liqa it means this goodbye. So we will meet
Ilalleka.
again. Ilal-liqa. Goodbye.
Okay.
Hmm. Have a pleasant day. Have a pleasant day. So taba yawmuka. Yawmukum. Taba yawmukum.
Taba
Taba
yomukum.
yawmukum. Yawm means day.
Okay.
Yawm means day. And good night. Tabat laylatukum.
Tabu.
Layla. Laylatukum. Laylatukum. Laylatun means night.
Okay.
Hmm. There I said that have a good day means naharuka sa'idun. Have a good night means laylatuka sa'idun.
So
Laylatukum. Hmm.
have a pleasant day is different. It's Taba yomukum.
Hmm. Yes, nahar means the daytime, not a day, but it is a daytime, evening time from evening to the, sorry, not evening, from morning to the evening time.
Okay.
So it's nahar means that a day, but it is a time from the 6 a.m. to the 6 p.m. And day
Mhm.
means and yom means any day. You can say uh,
Okay.
you can say that 4 days. 4 days you can say arba'atu ayyam. Plural of yom is ayyam.
Ayam.
Yes, you cannot say arba'atu nahar because it's a daytime, not day. It's a daytime. Nahar means daytime.
Okay.
Yes. Is there any difference between day and daytime?
So the day means the whole day from
The
morning
whole
till
day. Yes, permanently. Yes.
daytime.
Yesterday is
Morning.
a always. Yesterday is a day as well, and tomorrow is a day as well. But
Yes. Yes.
so it's the yom. This day
Okay.
we will say we can say yom, and
Yom.
nahar means the daytime.
Okay.
So Nahar means that today time from 6 a.m. to the 6 p.m. So we cannot say that yesterday is a Nahar. We cannot say this thing. Understand?
Yes.
Have a good day. It means that have today.
Mhm.
Your day will be a good, inshallah. Your day. So Nahar means that it is a daytime. Today time.
Okay.
And Yom means any day. You can say any day. Hmm.
Okay.
Tabat Lailatukum, good night. Lailat means night time. Lailatun, night time. So welcome means Ahlan wa sahlan marhaban. Ahlan wa sahlan. You can say Ahlan wa sahlan, it's enough if you want. So you can say Ahlan wa sahlan marhaban. Ahlan wa sahlan marhaban. So can you say what's this?
Al-Leka.
Right. And this one?
Sabah al-Khair.
Sabah al khair means good morning. And it is?
How are you? كيف حالك?
كيف حالك? Right. Yes. If there is female, so you will say كيف حالك.
Yeah, okay. كيف
Yes.
حالك?
Right, right. And this one?
أنا بخير.
Right.
شكرا.
Very good. Shukran. Right. Very good.
This one, كيف
Hmm.
صحتك?
Right. Very good. If there is female, so you will say كيف صحتك. If you ask a female, so you will say كيف صحتك, not كيف صحتك.
Yes,
Yes.
okay.
Right. This one?
My health is good. صحتي جيدة.
Jayyada. Right. Very good.
جيدة.
Jayyada. Right, right. Well done. What is this?
How is your father? كيف حال والدك?
Right. Very good. Kaifa halu walidika. Right. Very good. This one.
My father is all right now.
My
والدي
father is
بخير.
walidika. Right. Very good.
والدي بخير.
Excellent. This one.
Have a good day.
Hmm.
نهارك سعيد.
Have a good night.
ليلك سعيد.
Right. Very good. Excellent. This one.
مساء الخير.
Hmm.
Goodbye. إلا لك.
إلى اللقاء. Right. Very good.
Have a pleasant day. طاب يومكم.
Hmm. I have in another book. I will choose, inshallah. So, in which these words, Arabic words, is written in English. For
Okay.
example, Naharuka, Naharok, in which here is written. So, it will be very easy for you.
Okay.
So, in this one,
Good night. طاب ليلتكم.
Tabat Laylatukum is. And the last one,
It's Taba or Tabat.
Tabat. There's a difference between the day and night. So, it's a difference of the masculine and feminine. So it is a masculine and it is a feminine. So there will be a little bit different between them and them. So the difference of word. Inshallah, I will teach these all thing. So it's our first trial, and after that, so we will learn all of these. Inshallah, it's Taba and this one is Tabat. You can say Taba, but Tabat is better.
Tabat.
You can say Taba here as well.
Okay.
And this one, the last one,
أهلا وسهلا or مرحبا.
Wa- wa marhaban, right. So I welcome you. أنا أرحب بكم. Welcome you. أنا أرحب بكم.
I rahibu.
بكم. I means أنا.
Okay,
أنا. You can say I hear.
I'm fine.
Yes, this one. I'm fine. أنا بخير.
Okay.
So what's this? أنا أرحب بكم. I'm very pleased to meet you. You can say nice to meet you. So I'm very pleased to meet you. إني سعيد جدا.
Right.
إني سعيد جدا بلقائك. لقاء means meeting.
Aleka.
بلقائك. There is a female in front of you, so you will say بلقائك.
Did you say any Saidum Jiddam Aleka?
No, بلقائك. No, you cannot say إلى اللقاء.
Okay, Billeka.
So yes, بلقائك. بلقائك. By is must.
Okay.
إني سعيد جدا بلقائك. So I'm also happy to see you. أنا أيضا سعيد برؤيتك.
Anna?
So if أيضا أيضا means as well, also.
Okay.
Hmm. سعيد,
Saidun.
happy, pleased, you can say. Hmm.
Ana Aizan Saidum.
برؤيتك. برؤيتك.
Yeru Yatika.
Hmm.
It's very difficult to remember all this.
It will be easy, inshallah, after that. So it is the beginning. In the beginning, every language is
Yeah, I know.
very mysterious.
Correct.
So
What a wonderful coincidence.
so what's this? You can.
Oh, I welcome you. Ana or Haibu Bikum. I am very pleased to meet you. Any Saidun Jiddam Bellikaika.
Right, very good.
I am also happy to see you. Ana Aizan Saidun Beruyatika. What a wonderful coincidence.
Yes, yes, what a wonderful coincidence. So يا لها من مفاجأة سارة. يا لها
Yalaha.
مم. من مفاجأة سارة. من مفاجأة سارة. يا لها من مفاجأة. مفاجأة.
Jaatin Saradin.
سارة, right.
Okay.
After a trial, I will teach you a little words because it is very necessary to grow. After that, your language will improve, inshallah. So, يا لها من مفاجأة سارة. يا لها من مفاجأة
Saradin.
سارة. Right. How pleased I am to see. Come to سعيدني رؤيتك. How
Can you
pleased. Come to سعيدني رؤيتك.
Saiduni
كم
Yatika.
تسعدني رؤيتك. كم تسعدني رؤيتك.
Yatuka.
Hmm.
Okay. Come to Saiduni Royatuka.
Yes. What's this? You can.
What a wonderful coincidence.
Yes.
Yalaha min
Hmm.
mufajatin
Sab.
saradin.
Right, right. Very good. This one.
How pleased I am to see you.
Hmm.
كنت سعيدني رؤيتك.
Hmm. Right. So it's easy for you, I think. I
Just
thank you. Yes, thank you or I thank you. So you can say shukran, ashruka, ashkuruka. So I think there is no difference between I thank you and thanks. We can say
yes.
thanks, it means I thank. So this both are similar to this. So you can say shukran and you can say ashkuruka.
Okay.
Hmm.
Right.
If you say many thanks, bundle of thanks, so you will say shukran jazilan. You will add jazilan, bundle of thanks. So shukran jazilan.
جزيلا.
Hmm. Shukran means thanks. I thank you, and bundle of thanks if you say so. Many
Hmm.
thanks. You can say shukran jazilan. And this is often when you say you are welcome in reply to thank you. So in reply to thank you, when you say so there is no problem, so it's easy, no issue. So you can say you are welcome often.
عفوا.
Yes, right. Often. Often.
ARFAAN.
Often. A
عفوا.
if A if W or V
Okay.
of one. A if W A N of one.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes. If you say al afu, so it's mean my apology to you. So
That's fine.
al afu, al afu, A
Um,
al afu. Same to this, but there is al afu. A F W O. Al
al-
afu.
okay.
Yes. Al
Allah.
afu. This is important. A taruf. Taruf means introducing each other.
تعرف.
Taruf. Ta'aruf. Ta'aruf.
تعرف.
Taruf. Taruf.
تعرف.
Hmm. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Masmuka for male. What's your name?
مس.
Masmuka. What's your name? So Masmuka. M-A is Masmuka. For
اسمك.
female, Masmuke.
Mhm.
Masmuke. My name is Rashid. Rashid is the name of any person. So my name is Rashid. Ismi Rashid.
اسمي راشد.
Ismi, my name. Ism means name.
Mhm.
Masmuka, your name. Ismi, my name.
Okay.
So it's Walid means father. Masmu. What's your father's name? So Masmu. Here is what's your name? Masmuka. Masmuka. And here is Masmu. What's name? Your father name? Masmu walidika. Masmu walidika. What's your father name?
Walidika.
Right.
Mhm.
My father's name is Hanif. My father's name is Hanif. Hanif is his father name. So Ismu Walidi Hanif.